Hey, in our last video, we built this really cool sci-fi weapon. Well, I think it's really cool. I'm really excited to use this with one of my characters, so maybe like a slug or some kind of an alien creature. I think this would be perfect. So one thing that I would like to do is, for example, I would like to make this even more cartoony. And to do that, what I would like to do is select these edges of my weapon, and I want to flare them out, right? So just expand this out. But how do I do it? If I go to my scale, you see that I'm not able to scale this properly because it's doing both of them at the same time, and that's the center, right? So essentially what I'm trying to do is do something like this, expand this out, and then pull this out, and that is the look I'm looking for like a, you know, more stylized cartoony feel. But how can I do it at the same time with the bottom one? So there's a trick in Maya that is really important. If you just select both surfaces, instead of going to scale and that being in the center, because that's the middle between the two, I could go to edit mesh and click on transform. As soon as I do, watch what happens to my pivot point. You see that it switched to the local axes, and now if I click on the center, I can scale them at the same time. Then I can grab the blue axes and just pull them out at the same time as well. So that is a really cool trick that will allow you to control local axes instead of kind of a global one. And I just wanted to show you that really quick. And also, let's do it one more time for this here. So again, I'm gonna go to edit mesh, do a transform, scale, and just scale this to be something like that. All right, so I hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.